everyone! Are you ready to boost your website's SEO game to a whole new level? Well, buckle up because I've stumbled upon a treasure, the Siteguru lifetime deal, and I'm buzzing to share all the deets with you. If you've ever felt lost in the SEO wilderness, fret not. I've been there and it's no picnic. But today, we're discussing a beacon of hope that'll guide us through Siteguru. This tool isn't just an SEO specialist, it's like having a compass that points straight to SEO success. What is Siteguru? Think about carrying around a knowledgeable SEO consultant in your pocket without paying a high cost. For you, that's Siteguru. This tool offers an in-depth SEO audit, but here's the thing. It won't overwhelm you with technical terms or a never-ending to-do list of issues. Instead, Siteguru hands you a golden to-do list. Think of it as a clear path carved out through the SEO jungle, leading you to the sweet spot of rankings and traffic. Don't miss out! Exclusive lifetime deal prices on Siteguru. Oh, wait! Usually, you'd need to be an SEO wizard to figure out all this stuff, but now, for just $69, yeah, you read that right, you can get the same insights the pros have. And this isn't just any deal, it's a lifetime ticket to the SEO Hall of Fame. Choose from plans tailored for your needs. Whether you're a solo webmaster of a single site or a digital empire builder with up to 1,500 pages to manage. Plan 1. One-time purchase of $69 for one website. Unlimited users. Invite clients and colleagues. One website, up to 500 pages. Plan 2. One-time purchase of $138. Unlimited users. Invite clients and colleagues. Two websites, up to 1,000 pages. Plan 3. One-time purchase of $207. Unlimited users. Invite clients and colleagues. Three websites, up to 1,500 pages. Let's peek into the toolkit you'll unlock with this deal. 5 most important features that make Siteguru exceptional. All right, let's break down the game-changing elements of Siteguru that'll make you an SEO superstar. Comprehensive SEO audits. Siteguru looks under the hood of your website and shows you exactly what to tweak. Actionable to-do lists. No guesswork, just a clear checklist to skyrocket your rankings. Performance monitoring. By merging Google Search Console and analytics data, you'll have your finger on the pulse of your SEO health. SEO dashboard. A quick glance haven to see how your site stacks up in the search game. Exportable reports. Impress clients or colleagues with data-rich professional reports. People who can reap the benefits of Siteguru. Curious about who'll hit the jackpot with Siteguru? Here's a shout-out to the dream team. Bloggers, amplify your voice and reach. Marketing agencies, deliver results that clients will rave about. Small businesses, put your brand on the digital map. And if you're wondering about alternatives, think Ahrefs or SEMrush, but without the steep learning curve or price tag. Grab a 10% extra deal on Siteguru. Hold up! Just before you run to take advantage of this offer, there's an additional 10% discount. How to bag this extra discount? Visit the Siteguru lifetime deal page. Keep an eye out for a nifty pop-up. Pop in your email and voila, extra savings in your inbox. So why linger in the SEO slow lane when you can zoom ahead with Siteguru? Read reviews for Siteguru on the web. Don't just take my word for it. Let's roll the highlight reel of glowing testimonials. Still on the fence? Don't be that person who misses out on an epic deal. Lock in your Siteguru lifetime access and let's turn that SEO puzzle into a masterpiece. So ready to join the ranks of SEO champs with Siteguru? Click the link, dive into the features, and secure your lifetime deal before it vanishes. If this rundown has sparked your digital spirit, smash that like button, share the love, and subscribe for more tech talk and tips. Let's make those rankings soar together!